we're also very good at distancing ourselves from other people and being very competitive. Now, there's nothing wrong with competition, of course. In the right place and time, competition has driven some of the greatest advances in human history. Humans also pride ourselves on our cognitive abilities, our rationale, our logical thinking, but we're really driven by our emotions. And the mental patterns that we create from past experience, current experience, and projected future experience. All of this means that we are incredibly well evolved to collaborate and extremely well enabled to get in the way of that collaboration. We are a dichotomy. Collaboration is defined by two or more people or organizations of people coming together to create, complete, or achieve the same thing. At its simplest, collaboration is sharing. And in the modern world, we don't always collaborate particularly well. And I think to improve, we need to understand a little more of ourselves and the seeds of collaboration which have helped us develop this feature of humanity we don't always understand.